Quick update, guys. Fab, which was announced by Epic Games, has been released today. If you go to Epic Games Store and open up Marketplace, you will see this type of interface. Just click here, and it will redirect you to Fab. As you can see here, now you have an option to claim all Megascans asset in Fab until the end of 2024. Here it is, asking me to sign in, so let me do that. After sign in, all you have to do is click this button, and all Megascans asset will be claimed with just one single click. As you can see, all Megascans asset is ready. And let me check if other platforms like Sketchfab content is also available in Fab or not. Let's see what quality of 3D models are available for free. As you can see, it's showing Blender character model here as well. And let me see, what do we have in animation? All right, so this character and animation is from Unity Store, which is also available here. So that's it, guys. For today, see you in the next video.